Hello, in this video, we will tour around his secret obsession program to let you have an idea of what you'll get when you purchase the program. After purchase, you will receive your membership login details via email to access the program. Once you've logged in, simply scroll down and click the title link or the Access Now button to access the program. And here's how the program's online interface looks like. As you can see, you're given the option to view the program's materials online, or from a PDF file. You will also be given several worksheets and other materials. You can also download the audiobook of the program. The guide is easy to read and you can finish each chapter and section relatively quickly. Now here are the table of contents for his secret obsession program. As you can see, there are 17 modules in total, with an additional several useful chapters to equip you with the right skills and knowledge. If you prefer, you can download the whole program as a PDF file so you can read it in your Kindle or phone offline. This option is useful if you're worried that you may not have an active Wi-Fi or internet access to view the program online. Alternatively, if you dislike reading, you can always download the audiobook to listen and learn the program's materials. Now here's the good news, you're entitled to many free bonuses as you can see here. And should you have any issues with the website, or anything relating to the program, you can simply click the chat box as seen here to get immediate assistance. Alternatively, you can use the customer's ticketing system to open a support ticket. You will usually receive a response within 1 to 2 days' time. this concludes the video tour review of his secret obsession. I hope it has helped you. Thank you.